If you've ever noticed awkward extra space between words in Microsoft Word, you're not alone. And the good news is that there's a very quick way to fix it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove extra space between words in Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps, so your document looks clean, polished, and professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick word tips and computer tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The fastest way to remove extra space between words in Microsoft Word is by using Find and Replace. This is especially useful if your document has inconsistent spacing, odd formatting, or extra white space that came from copying and pasting text from another source. Instead of trying to fix each line manually, Word can clean it up for you in just a moment. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Once you're inside the document, press Ctrl and H on your keyboard. That opens the Find and Replace dialog box. This is the tool we're going to use to search for extra white space and replace it with a single normal space. Now look for the Find What field. In that box, type $W, written as $W. This is a special word code that represents any amount of white space. So if your document has multiple spaces, tabs, or irregular spacing between words, Word will be able to detect it using this code. Next, move to the Replace with a field. In this box, press the space bar just once. You only want a single regular space here. That tells Word to replace anything it finds with normal spacing between the words. After that, click Replace All. Word will go through the document and replace the extra white space with a single space everywhere it appears. In most cases, this instantly cleans up the formatting and makes the text look much more consistent. If your document is very large, Word may show you how many replacements were made. Take a quick look through the text afterward, just to make sure everything looks right. This is always a good habit, especially if your document came from a website, PDF, or copied source where formatting can be unpredictable. If you still see spacing issues after using Replace All, it may be because the text has other formatting problems such as paragraph spacing, tab spacing, or manual line breaks. In that case, you may need to do a second cleanup pass, but for most extra space between words, this method works extremely well. A helpful tip is to zoom in on the page after replacing the spaces and scroll through a few sections of the document. That way you can quickly confirm that the text now flows properly and that there are no weird gaps left behind. This is especially useful if you're preparing a resume, report, assignment, or business document. So just to recap, open Word, press Ctrl+H, type $W in the Find What field, put one space in the Replace With field, and then click Replace All. That's the quickest way to remove extra space between words in Microsoft Word and make your document look much more professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.